pro tips on how to use knifeless tape. I'm going to show you guys quickly how not to use knifeless tape and how to use it properly. So let's get over here to this fender. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to put 2 pieces of knifeless down here. Just going to push them down with my finger. Not too worried about them being too straight here for demonstration purposes. Okay, all right, we're going to take our piece of vinyl, we're going to lay it on like that. We're just going to lay that on like that. And we're just going to squeegee that on. Okay, as you can see, we've got the knifeless down there. Now, you can tell we didn't put a bunch of pressure on here. This is how some people do it. This is how I used to do it. I would just wrap over top of it, grab it, and this is the proper way to do that part, which is I call it breaking the knifeless. And then you would just go up to here, and as you can see, we're pulling. I kind of got a rough start there, right? Because it pulled it up, not super clean. That's how I used to do it. This is how I believe lots of people still do it. Not super clean edge all the way along because we didn't push it down. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove that. And I'm going to show you guys what that edge looks like. So if we take a heat gun now, just go over that edge. You see how the edge goes up? That's because of how it pulled. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do what I do now when I lay down knifeless. Heat it up a bit. A little bit of pressure with the thumb. You can see the texture through there now. Fully see the texture of the knifeless. I'm not going to go all the way because I don't need to. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to snap it. We're going to go up to the vinyl. We're going to put our thumb onto it and snap again. Much cleaner. Now, if I'm wanting to leave this piece, I'm going to pull downward on the knifeless to pull it out. And I can remove this, pulling downwards again. And we can go ahead, give that a little shot of heat again. Squeeze it down. And as you can tell, much cleaner results. So, bottom method. So the bottom method there, that is the correct way to do it. When you're snapping, hold your thumb. When you're getting to the edge of the vinyl where you're going to pull, put your thumb down again and pull. Nice angle towards the vehicle. Much cleaner results. So hopefully that was helpful for some of you guys. If it was, drop a like, comment, follow, subscribe, all that fun stuff. See you guys in the next one.